Alright, coming to you from Storm Central in Flushing. Anyways, generator's been going since a little after midnight. We're getting ready to go get some breakfast. Show you the damage and stuff that's going on. So, and don't judge. Mowing our own lawn was on the calendar for today. So we got cable lines down, going across the yard here, over top of the truck, trailer. Neighbors' branches came. They're the ones that obviously took the cable lines down. So, yeah, those are all on the truck a little bit. The gate is open on the truck because I had to get gas for the generator out of the back of the work truck. Anyways, so walk back here. Yeah, we had some horrific winds last night. So you can see we got quite a few trees down. This one's down. Those two are down. Yeah, that one is definitely way leaning. That one's leaning. The old porta potty, of course, is down. This one's snapped. Yeah, it's sad. I like these trees. This one's, yeah. That one looks like, it doesn't look like it's actually lean. It looks like it was already doing that. It looks like it's pretty dead, so I might take it down while we're doing it. Yeah. This one's down. Right on the corner. The old pear tree took a hit. Nice branch broke. Shingles. Oh. Must be shingles from her pole barn. Quite a few shingles out here. I know they're not mine. Apple trees down. Oh man. I wish it was that one, because that one I was planning on taking down. So, lost it. 2 apple trees. Somebody's building material, fence stuff. I can see a tree over there broken. Those are broken. Yeah, it's sad to lose these apple trees. These were actually two decent ones. There's Bunny. So yeah, those are down. Sorry, going back into the sun. You're probably not gonna be able to see anything. Let's see if I can get over here in the shade. Yeah. Yeah. Good thing I got a chainsaw and a ditch witch. And two boys. So yeah, those two are hung up in that tree, so that's gonna be fun. Anyways, so we're gonna go get some breakfast. Come back. The thing is the power outage is just really right in our area. When I looked on the map, it's just like south of Montrose, in between Flushing and Montrose. Basically here. I think we were in the eye of the storm. So, all right, it's craziness. I was gonna go do some shrubs today for somebody, get that off the list, but looks like I'll be instead I think I'll just stay here and do some tree cleanup. But then again, where these trees aren't gonna go anywhere. All right, hopefully everybody's having a better day than this. Later.